Alright guys, I was sent this solar power charger to try out. It did come with the charger cable, and then you can charge it through the sun this way. It does have a couple flashlights here, and then right here is where you would have two USB-A and one USB-C. Right, so let's try this out. So there's a power button right here, and then when you press it, it'll show you how much battery it has right here. And then if you long press it, you'll turn on the flashlight. So you can see it like that. It has 3 different modes. So there's just like where it's on, and then I think there's like an SOS, and then I think there's like a strobe, then long press it to turn off. You can use the solar power to charge this, but it does take longer. So it is recommended that you charge this through the power outlet. When this is fully charged, it can charge your iPhone 3.5 times. It says that if your phone is on 15% within 30 minutes, it can charge it up to like 65%. And then your iPad, it can charge it up to like 1.5 times. So I think this would be good for you to have for emergencies. Also, let's say you're camping or something, this would be good to have. It's light, it's easy to carry around. It did come with this for you to be able to attach it to your belt or your backpack. And I think that it's just really cool that this can actually be charged through solar power. So if for whatever reason you are like out in the middle of nowhere and you need to recharge your battery pack, you can just set this out in the sun. So I could see this being given as a gift. So let's say someone who is graduating high school, going to college, it can be a nice gift for like an emergency kit in the car. This would be a nice gift on like Father's Day for those that like to go camping or fishing. And honestly, I bet this would be a good gift for teenagers because they always need a power bank. So if you're in the market for a power bank, you should definitely check this one out.